Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Outlook add-in credentials with Microsoft Graph. Complete guide step by step clearly. To verify Outlook add-in credentials with Microsoft Graph, start by setting up your development environment. Begin by ensuring you have a Microsoft 365 account. Log into the Microsoft Azure portal using your account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Azure Active Directory section. In the Azure Active Directory menu, select App Registrations. Click on New Registration to create a new application. Provide a name for your application and select the appropriate account type. Under Redirect URI, select the type as Web and enter the appropriate URI for your add-in. After completing these fields, click the Register button. Once your application is registered, take note of the application client ID. Next, go to the Certificates and Secrets section. Click on New Client Secret to generate a client secret. Add a description and set an expiration period before clicking Add. Next, navigate to API permissions in your app registration. Click on Add a permission and then choose Microsoft Graph. Select the required permissions for your add-in, such as user, read or mail, read. Now, open your development environment and create or open the project for your Outlook add-in. In your project's configuration, insert the client ID and client secret you copied earlier. Incorporate the Microsoft Authentication Library to handle token acquisition. Request an access token for Microsoft Graph using the client ID and client secret. Use the access token to make API calls to Microsoft Graph. Check the response from your API calls to ensure the credentials are validated. If successful, verify that you can access the desired resources through Microsoft Graph. Finally, handle any errors appropriately and log out when the session is complete. Your Outlook add-in credentials are now verified, and you are set to proceed with further development. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.